All right, hello traders. Good morning. It's 10 to 11, and I just want to go over the good stuff, and then I'll go over the USD yen long trade. So let's move this up here. So look, as you can see, this Aussie CAD trade is going okay. Now this is a textbook trade for myself personally. So we've got the 200-day moving average here. We've got the 55-day moving average. That's where the stock was set at last night. It took this about 10:30. And what I would say to you guys is, if you're looking to trade, you want to backtest, you want to paper trade using like a demo simulator, and you just do that. I did that all of 2017. And when I saw this setup, I'm like, oh, I'm going to take that. I didn't even really think. And I actually took it. I think I took it live as well. So 1% at risk. 1% at risk for the USD yen as well. So look, I'm more of a swing trader still. I mean, I am trying to dabble into intraday, day trading type positions, because I can definitely see the potential in that, especially when things are a little bit, more dull trend-wise. Because I am a trend trader. But we'll go to the USD yen now. So I would sort of say this is flat. That's the account size. So obviously, it's not a big account. I'm just slowly adding to it. I'm just taking baby steps. I'm being realistic. I don't want to be a hero. I don't, I'm not trading full time quite yet. So, and I am appreciating the diversity you sort of need to employ as well, though, because the FX market's pretty much all of July, except for USD yen. I'll show you. There was one move really for my system. That was it. All right, so here we go. Look at this. To me, this trade is over, but it's weird. What I would say, you have to detach yourself. So I entered this trade, and normally it is 2%, but I minimized it down because of the geopolitical tensions, and also because really a good entry would have been up here. So we'd still actually be, probably here. That's engulfing. That's pretty nice, actually. Probably there. So the high was 40. So we've been a little bit of profit. I would have actually moved this to break even now, and I would have been taken out. So look at that. What was the low there? 38, and it's a 35. So yeah. Wow. Okay, so we'll see though. Right here, there's a few bullish candles, but I don't like to dwell on this really. I mean, once I place the trade, it's not that I don't care. It's that you just detach yourself from it a little bit. So you want money that you're trading with that, you obviously you care about, but you don't, if you're risking 1%, you don't need the 1% of that account to, eat and whatnot. So you've got other sources of income. That's what I would sort of strongly recommend. You don't just sort of go, I need this trade to win for me to pay my bills. Don't. If you're doing that, trust me, that's not trading. Trading is meant to be something that you enjoy. I mean, it's not necessarily comfortable all the time. When you see negatives, but that's why you minimize the risk, and you just trust your system as well. But that's USD yen trade. Now, I've attached the link to TSS's channel, and I would certainly recommend you check that out, because he goes over, really, his entry is actually terrible, and you can see I didn't even wait for that candle to close. I mean, that's, it's not, that's ill fed. And then FOMC came out, and it was a little dovish. It wasn't, I would say it was more neutral, but it was very similar to the July statement. And, it's just a little bit silly, and I need to take more variables into account. So I'm a little bit too tunnel vision when it comes to the technicals, and I need to sort of say to myself, okay, pump the brakes a little bit, assess things. And also my issue is when I have the week off to focus just on trading, I sort of want to be productive, and that ends up me sort of taking subpar setups, which I did. And I was a little bit disheartened because I sort of missed this here, and then this is a big move. So that was, not not ideal. So that's that there. And I'm sort of, we'll go a few pairs, but I won't be taking any more trades. And that's the euro. So, interesting. Interesting. Got a few moving averages. I got the 20, 200. That's nice. It's engulfing candle right there. I want to see how that closes. Jeez. So disappointing, isn't it? It's sort of a sell trade, but right here, it's, if you look to the left, it's a little congested. That's all. That's my concern. I'm going to leave that. But that's something to point out. It's downtrending 4-hour time frame. That's not a bad candle. Definitely an indoor day today. Perth is I think it's at 12 degrees right now and raining. So yeah, it's not not too nice. It's been very wet for Perth actually. Let's have a look at the other majors actually just to see what's going on. We'll see how the Aussie yen's going as well. And the Aussie US dollar. This is just more to see how the Aussie is going against a few of the pairs because I am in the okay. Yeah, just to reiterate, the USD yen, to me, I mean, you see it time and time again on your back testing. I was reckless. I should have waited to the candle close, but that 4-hour candle would close at 1 a.m. and I didn't. So, yeah. That's life, though. If you want to be complacent, you will, lose a bit of money. But that's why the risk management's tight, so it's not the end of the world. But it's just not great trading, and I'm disappointed with that. And we've got the pound here. So I have the Bollinger Bands off on this one. I sort of need to restructure my charts so they're all looking like this. No trade here, no trade there. It's just tough when you see some strength. It's sideways. It's just wafting about. Yeah. I mean, the downtrend's present there, but you want it to get to recent lows before you think about. USDCAD. That's weaker as well. So it's always helpful to go to the high time frames and see really what's going on day to day. It's not a real trade there. Yeah. It's tough selling into that, so I'm just going to pass on that. What about the Swissy? I'll check out the Kiwi just quickly. It's the first time I've seen the charts today. Well, downtrending. Can't really sell right into that though, so it's sort of you go to the daily chart and it still has a bit of work to do. So I'm happy about that AUDCAD trade. I journaled that and I was happy with that. Although the USD yen, it's sort of you want to try. I rated that 2 out of 10. So all right, I think I've covered everything but the USD Swiss. Where is the Swissy? There it is. All right. Just to look, I'll go to that after that. It's just recent recovery. So it's interesting. I mean, on the whole, the US dollar is not too weak, but it's It's not that healthy against the yen though. So I think I'm going to conclude it there, guys. I've gone over my trades. Thank you for watching. Another update to come later tonight, and we've got trade talk as well with Connor and myself. So he's been short the euro for nearly 2 months. So we'll go over that as well. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and bye for now.